Alright guys, I had an issue at this house where the smoke alarms were going off. Total separate thing from what I was doing. Originally, I had 9 volts coming off my module. So I thought it was a bad module, but what I ended up finding out is when I went and opened up the flow switch, this flow switch was completely full of water, so that's what was triggering the alarms to go off, but not the fire bell. All that water in there was making, it's dirty water, was making contact across the contacts there. So I'm gonna get a plumber out here to get this flow switch replaced, and then it never fails that person that put this back box up, they just put these screws literally into nothing. So this box was just barely hanging here, and then the fire bell was toast. So oops, we're gonna put a new fire bell in too. So I'm gonna finish getting this thing wired up, get it tested. Alright guys, gonna get this mounted up and gotta get this all caulked up. The last people didn't have no caulking on it whatsoever, so I had to make these holes a little bigger for my toggle bolts. So these all dialed in here. Straightened out. Go. Just like that. Let's see here. Alright, let's get this made up here. Trying to get all this in here is kind of a pain in the butt. Up just like that. Make sure you got no pinched wires. Screw's a little short. Get a new one. Alright guys, just got it all tested. Everything works good. That flow switch is sticky because how jacked up it was, so once that gets fixed, it'll be good to go. But got a new bell on there, got it mounted to the wall, which is not going to fall off now, and got it all caulked, so that's the way it should be.